The Blaze Professional Infrared Burner is the perfect addition to the Blaze Pro grill for those looking to add direct, high-heat steakhouse-style searing. This commercial-style infrared burner easily swaps out for your Blaze conventional burner. To install it, ensure your cotter pins are removed. These just keep the burners in place for shipping and can be found at the back of the burner where the pegs sit. The two cotter pins can be removed from the rear exterior of the grill. A pair of needle nose pliers will make removing these easier. Once your burner is free, just pull it towards the back of the grill and up to remove it. Now just slide in your infrared burner and make sure your rear pegs are seated well. Next, you can replace the inner components of the grill. I'll replace my heat zone dividers and flame tamers, but you won't need to put a flame tamer over the infrared burner. Now just set in your cooking grids and you're ready to sear over your infrared burner. With that said, this is a perfect time for some ribeyes. Infrared burners are what your favorite steakhouses are using. They produce direct, high heat, which is the perfect environment for a great sear. Being able to get such a quick sear means you'll find your food retaining more of its juices. Over the Blaze Professional Infrared Burner, it only takes about 2 minutes per side to sear a steak to perfection. Alright, these steaks are ready to flip to the other side. Beautiful! These are going to taste awesome. The juices that fall on the burner are vaporized back into the steaks, giving them such a great fire-grilled flavor. Alright, I'll give them one last crosshatch. It's almost time to dig in. Just look at that caramelization. Delicious. Let's slice up these steaks. Oh wow, these turned out great. That is a beautiful sight.